Welcome to today's session on working with Django. In this presentation, we will introduce you to Django, a powerful Python web framework, and guide you through creating a basic web application. Let's start with an overview of Django. Django is a high-level Python web framework that promotes rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. It comes with several key features that make it easy to build powerful web applications, including a built-in admin interface, automatic database migrations, and strong security features such as protection against SQL injection and cross-site scripting. It's, it's also highly scalable and offers reusable components for better code management. Django follows the model view template or MVT architecture. In this pattern, the model is responsible for the data structure, essentially mapping to your database tables. The view contains the logic that dictates how the data is presented, and the template is the actual HTML file that displays the data to users. Django also features URL conf, which maps URLs to views, and their built-in admin interface that helps manage application effortlessly. To set up a Django project, first install Django using pip with the command pip install Django. Once installed, you can create a new project by running Django admin start project my project. This will set up the basic structure for your project, which includes directories for settings, URLs, and applications. After setting up your project, you can run the development server using the command python manage.py run server. This will start a local server on your machine, which you can access by visiting http 127.0.0.1:8000 in your web browser. This allows you to see your Django app in action. Now let's create an app within our Django project. An app is a smaller functional module that you can use across different projects. To create an app, run the command python manage.py start app my app. This will generate the necessary files for your project, for your app, including models, views, and URLs. In Django, views define the logic behind rendering data. For example, a simple view might render a template when a user visits a certain URL. Templates are HTML files that contain the structure of your page. For instance, the home.html template might display a welcome message to users. Views and templates work together to create dynamic web pages. URL routing in Django maps URLs to specific views. For instance, you can define a path in the urls.py file like path views.home, which will link the root URL to the home view. This ensures that users are directed to the right view when they access a particular URL. Models in Django represent your data. For example, you might define a post model to store blog posts. Models are created using Django's Object Relational Mapping or ORM, which automatically translates Python code into database queries. Once you create a model, you can apply migrations to update your database structure. One of the most powerful features of Django is its built-in admin interface. By enabling the Django admin in your settings, you can manage your data easily. You can create a super user to access the admin interface by running python manage.py creates create super user. Once logged in, you can add, edit, and delete data directly from the browser. As a mini project, let's consider building a simple blog application. You will define a post model, create views to display and add posts, and configure URL routing to navigate between pages. Additionally, you will use Django's admin interface to manage the posts you create. To recap, Django simplifies web development by providing a built-in admin interface, security features, and a clean architectural pattern. With its model view template structure, Django enables efficient code organization. I encourage you to dive deeper into Django's forms, authentication, and more advanced features to take your web development skills to the next level.